good. We don't. Let's just
We
show
are-
it.
don't need.
We'll show 'em.
We don't need this.
Okay.
So
Probably.
you unscrew the SD slot. Make sure it's off.
Okay.
Make sure the machine's off. These screws are kind of tough.
Push
So
it hard enough.
Do you need a different screwdriver
it
head?
might be a different bit.
I think it's okay.
It's just using a screwdriver on film.
Yeah.
I mean, we screwed them in hard. Like, we don't want them to pop out.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
And then you push on the SD card until it pops, and then you use the tweezers to pull it out, so you don't drop it in there on accident.
Then we take the micro SD card and plug it into our micro SD card adapter. So we can use it with USB or USB-C. So we'll use USB. Plug it into your computer. Plug it in correctly. There you go. And then it will pull up what's on the SD card. So you see there's a lot of MP3s currently on here. So you want to keep track of what the next number is going to be. So currently we are at 47. So if we were going to record a new sound, we'd be recording sound 48. In this example, we'll be replacing number 47 instead. So we go to Audacity, which is the recording software we recommend you download for your computer.
Is it free?
And it is free.
Thank you.
It is
Okay.
free. And so when it opens up, you can just press the record button and we'll record a sound. Is there a sound that we would like to record? We're saying?
Therese, you want a certain phrase?
Okay, so we have all done. Go home. I want to go home. I'm all done.
Anything.
Oh, drink. Just do. I'd like a drink.
I'd like to. Okay.
We already have that card, but it's fine.
Okay, so then you hit the record button and say, I would like a drink. Then you hit the stop button.
Let me do whatever I want.
And then you, after doing that, you highlight the portion that you would like to capture. So it would just be this portion here. So we can play that. I would like a drink. So.
And it'll be better sound quality if you use like a microphone rather than a laptop mic.
Yeah. And so after highlighting that portion, you hit the trim button. So trim the outside selections. It'll trim off the rest of the audio. And then you drag this audio clip to the very beginning of where it starts. So then you don't have any delay. And so after doing that, you hit File, Export Audio, and then you will title this you would title it the next number in the sequence. So for us, we would title it 0048. We're gonna replace 47 this time, but if you were recording a new one, you would put 0048. So for this one, we'll put 0047. And then you'll want to make sure that it is saving into the root of the SD card. So currently it is, but if it wasn't, you can hit browse here, and then you can click on wherever your SD card is. So this is just going to be USB drive E for me. So click that, hit save in there, and then you'll want to make sure your format is MP3. And then after doing that, you can choose what quality you want. We just have it set as insane right now, but you can just have it as standard if need be. So then you'll hit export, and then for us, we'll just hit yes. We want to replace that. And then after doing that, you'll go to back to your folder and you'll eject the SD card. So eject. And then you will plug the SD card back into the box with the tweezers.
you would put the slot back on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's kind
And
of a
then-
hassle to show.
And then to record the card, you need to download an app on your smartphone that's called NFC Tools.
It's free
So it's free as well.
on Android and
So
iOS.
you'll open it up and you'll hit the right button, and then you'll hit add a record, and then you'll hit text, and then in here you'll type in the same number that you programmed on, or you recorded the sound for on the SD card. So in our case, we recorded the sound bite that was 47, right? So we will enter the number 47. So after entering that, we'll hit OK, and then we'll hit write, and then we'll hold this up to the card, and so it said ready to scan, so it finished and gave us a check mark. So now that card is programmed.
I would like a drink.
There you go.